SmartZone software has the ability to reach out to your data center network and find the equipment connected to it. We call this process discovery. And in this video, we will describe some of the basics of setting up a discovery and then guide you through an example. SmartZone provides several types of discoveries. The type of discovery you choose will depend on your specific network setup and requirements. The available discovery types are a topology discovery. If you provide the IP address of your router, this discovery will find all the associated subnets. A subnet discovery. This is a discovery on a specific subnet or series of subnets. IP address discovery. This is used when you know the exact IP address range on which you would like to perform a discovery. And a manager discovery. This discovers all call managers and IP phones for a specific IP address or range of IP addresses. There are also three different methods of discovery. The standard discovery polls for undiscovered devices for the specified IP address, subnet, or range. If a device was incorrectly identified because of a missing or incorrect credential, the user can correct the community string and perform a relearn of just that device. The repoll polls previously discovered devices and updates the database with any new information. Let's go ahead and create a new discovery now. Begin by selecting the Admin module and the Network Administration tab. Select Discovery if it has not already been selected. Next, one tip that you may want to consider is to sort the list based on the start date and time. That way, the newest discovery will always appear at the top of the list. And that's what we're going to do here. Select Add Discovery. You are then presented with a configuration window that allows you to choose the exact parameters you would like. We'll give the discovery a name, and then we can begin choosing criteria. A protocol must be enabled for each discovery. Your specific network settings will determine which protocol is appropriate. You can select SNMP version 1, 2, or 3, HP HTTP, and so on. Each protocol will have its own unique parameters that need to be entered. In this example, we will choose SNMP v2 and select a public and private community string. Next, we move on to the method. Remember that there are three methods to choose from: standard, relearn, and repoll, and each has its own specific use. For this example, we will choose standard. For discovery type, there are again multiple options, and your network setup and requirements will determine which is best for you. For our example, we know the range of IP addresses that we want to search, so we will choose IP address as the type, and then enter the beginning and ending IP addresses in the from and to fields. We are now set to perform a standard discovery on a specified IP range. We can choose to perform the discovery immediately, which is the default, or we can schedule it to occur at a later time. We can even set up this discovery to repeat automatically at predefined intervals. In this example, we will choose to run the discovery right now. Click the Save button, and the discovery begins. You will notice two things. First, you can see from the Processes tab that a new process is currently running. Second, you can see that our new named discovery is now at the top of our list with a status of executing. Depending on the size of your data center, running a complete discovery will take time. When the discovery is done, the status will change to complete, and we are ready to view the results. Right-click on the discovery and choose View Results. You can see that we found 3 new devices and received new information on 16 existing devices. Let's take a look at one of the new devices. Select the appropriate row, right-click, and select View Device. You are taken to the unprovisioned category of the location tree. One of the tasks that you will need to do is to move the device from unprovisioned to the appropriate node in the network architecture. There are many ways to move devices around within the location tree. For this example, we will just do the simplest of all the options. Right-click the device and choose Cut. Then navigate to the appropriate container on the network view and choose Paste. A dialog box appears, and we will accept the defaults to perform this action now. Click Done. SmartZone now knows that the device is located in cabinet CN1CN, but there's still one step to go. We must tell the system the rack position that this device occupies. So choose the device, click the Details tab, and select the appropriate rack position from the drop-down list. Once this selection is made, the image of the device appears in the elevation view of the cabinet, and we're ready for the next discovered device. SmartZone's Discovery is a very powerful feature, and this video was just an introduction to the full capabilities. Please consult the SmartZone online help system, which has much more detailed information, and be sure to check out our other videos that describe the capabilities of SmartZone software.